If you're looking for the best free screen recording software, no watermarks, no time limits, and no hidden fees, Open Broadcaster software is trusted by millions of creators and streamers worldwide, and for good reason. It's powerful, flexible, and completely free. Now, when you first open it, it can look a little intimidating. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and record like a pro. So let's get into it. When you first install OBS and launch it, the auto configuration wizard will pop up. This is going to ask you a couple of quick questions to get you started. Since we're focused on recording, not streaming, select Optimize just for recording. Don't worry, you can always change this later. Click Next. If you have multiple monitors, they'll all appear here. I only have one screen, so I'll select Display 1. Underneath that, you'll see the FPS option. I recommend selecting 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. This gives you the smoothest recordings. Click Next. On the final screen, OBS will show you its recommended settings based on your system. Go ahead and click Apply Settings. And now you're looking at the OBS main interface. I know it looks like a lot, but we're going to go through it step by step, and it'll start making sense very quickly. The first thing you need is a scene. Think of a scene as a preset layout. It holds all your sources together. OBS already creates one for you by default. You can rename it by double-clicking it or by pressing F2. If you need additional scenes for different setups, just click the plus icon at the bottom of the Scenes panel. Now, let's add what you actually want to record. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and select Display Capture. You can rename it to whatever makes sense. I'll just leave it as is. Click OK. OBS will then ask you which display to capture. If you have multiple monitors, they'll all show up here. Select the display you want, and check the box to capture your mouse cursor if you need it. Super useful for tutorials. Click OK. By default, OBS captures your full screen. You can reposition or resize the capture in the preview, but for most recording purposes, the full screen default is exactly what you want. If you want to record your voice, which I'm guessing you do, go back to the Sources panel, click the plus icon, and this time select Audio Input Capture. Click OK. Then choose your microphone from the drop-down and click OK again. You'll now see your mic showing up in the audio mixer at the bottom. You can also right-click it and add filters, things like noise suppression and compression, to clean up your audio. Definitely worth exploring. Want to capture the sound playing on your computer, like music or app sounds? Go to Sources again, click plus, and this time select Audio Output Capture. Click OK, then choose your playback device, usually your headphones or speakers, and click OK. Now you've got your screen, your voice, and your system audio all set up. But before you hit record, there are some important settings we need to configure. Let's go do that now. Head up to Settings, then click on Output. At the very top, you'll see the output mode. It's set to Simple by default. Let's start here. Scroll down to the Recording section. First, Recording Path. This is the folder where all your recordings will be saved. Click Browse and pick wherever you want them to go. Next, Recording Quality. For most creators, high quality is more than enough. If you need perfect, lossless footage for heavy post-production, you can choose indistinguishable quality or lossless, but heads up, the file sizes will be massive. For recording format, I recommend Fragmented MP4. Here's why. MKV is safer if OBS crashes mid-recording. The file is still saved, but it can have compatibility issues in some editing software. MP4 is universally compatible, but can get corrupted if something goes wrong. Fragmented MP4 gives you the best of both worlds, the safety of MKV with the compatibility of MP4. For video encoder, if you have a dedicated GPU, choose H.264. If you don't, go with X264, which uses your CPU. And for audio encoder, just leave it on the default. Now click on the Video tab in the left sidebar. Your base canvas resolution should match your monitor. Mine is 1080p. If you're on a 1440p or 4K monitor, set it to match. Output scaled resolution is the resolution your video will actually be recorded at. If you want to save storage space, you can record at a lower resolution, like 1280 by 720. And finally, FPS. Use 60 for fast-moving content, like gameplay, and 30 for slower content, like tutorials and screen shares. Hit apply, then OK. You're now ready to record. In the main OBS window, hit Start Recording. You can pause anytime using the pause button, and when you're done, click Stop Recording. Your file will be saved to the folder you chose earlier. Now, let's look at the advanced settings. This is where you get real control over quality and file size. Go back to Settings Output, and at the top, change output mode from Simple to Advanced. Then click the Recording tab. Type should be set to Standard. Set your recording path as before, and choose your recording format again. I recommend Fragmented MP4. For video encoder, choose H.264 if you have a GPU, or X264 if you don't. Leave audio encoder on default. Now scroll down to the encoder settings section. This is where it gets interesting. You'll see a rate control drop-down with several options. Here's a quick breakdown. CBR, constant bitrate, mainly used for live streaming. Not ideal for recording. VBR, variable bitrate, good balance of quality and file size. Set bitrate to around 3000 kilobits per second and max bitrate to 5000 kilobits per second. CQP, constant quality. This is the best option for recording quality, but files will be larger. Set CQ level to 20 for a great balance. Go lower 15 to 19 if you need even higher quality. The rest of the settings in advanced mode can stay at their defaults. Click Apply and OK. Want to add a face cam? Go to Sources, click the plus icon, and select Video Capture Device. Click OK. Then choose your webcam from the list, and click OK again. Your webcam will appear as a layer in the preview. You can drag it, resize it, and position it wherever you want. I like putting mine in the bottom right corner, keeps it clean and out of the way. One last thing, hotkeys. These are a game changer for a smooth recording workflow. Go to Settings, Hotkeys. You can assign a key to start recording, stop recording, pause, and more. I like using F9 to start and F10 to stop. Keeps things simple while you're recording. And that's everything you need to get started with OBS. You've got your display capture, microphone, system audio, a webcam, and optimized recording settings all set up and ready to go. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. Got questions? Leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. I'll see you in the next one.